Hello today and welcome to the Blue Oval Car Barn. We're right down the street from the Baker Hotel. We're under the Crazy Water sign and we got that Ready Kilowatt guy blazing out front at nighttime. Come see us. Today we're talking about a car we're going to reveal at our Blue Oval Car Barn open house Friday. This is a 69 Cougar. This is actually an XR7 in special paint. They paid for the special paint option, competition orange. It's a 428 Ram Air car, which is unusual. It's got saddle interior, brown interior, which is unusual. And according to the Marty metrics, they only made one custom paint car with the brown interior. This will be it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to shoot a little video with me in it, and we're going to shoot some still pictures and post them up for you. But this car is going to be revealed to the public at the Blue Oval Car Barn at our open house Friday night, the 20th. I hope that some of you see it. I hope you'll come out and see it. It'll be on display here at the car barn. It's a fantastic car. I found this in pieces in Denver, Colorado, actually, in a million pieces. And the difficulty of this car evolved around the fact that the owner that I bought it from also bought it from a guy in Wisconsin, I believe, and it was in a million pieces when he bought it. So when a car is disassembled, then moved once, then purchased again and disassembled and moved again, it becomes a very conflicted situation because a lot of pieces, parts get lost and get mixed up. So this took us a long time to get together. It was the result of a lot of man hours by a lot of different people. Now we're going to show you a few still shots of it. We're very proud of this 69 Cobra Jet 428 Ram Air Cougar XR7 in special paint, competition orange. How cool is that? Thank you very much. We'll see you at the Blue Oval Car Barn. Come out and see us. Come see this fantastic car. Here's a few pictures for you.